If your doctor's told you to get more cardiovascular exercise, you might be wondering where to start.
Well, today we're delivering just what the doctor ordered, a quick, safe and effective interval circuit, perfect for anyone over 55.
It's Ollie and Gaz from Being Mobile Physio, your at-home exercise experts for those over 55. Today's session is all going to be done in under 10 minutes and you won't need any equipment.
That's right, because we are firm believers that you don't need to attend a gym in order to get fit and strong.
All right, here's the plan. We're going to go through 3 rounds of 5 different exercises. And we're going to do what's called interval training. So you're going to be working hard for 20 seconds, followed by 10 seconds of rest. It's a very efficient way to train.
Now, this workout is designed to be challenging. And remember our motto, you need to challenge yourself to change yourself. But that challenge looks different for every individual. So today, we'll be showing you modifications for every exercise, and your job is just to pick one which is challenging for you today.
All right, let's get the workout started with a warm-up. We're going to start with some marching on the spot, and we're going to do a few little arm circles to get the upper body going as well.
Yes, we are starting nice and slow, but we are going to be working at a relatively high intensity today, so about an 8 out of 10, if you can imagine what that sort of feels like.
Yeah, you want to be pushing yourself, but we're not going absolute maximum intensity. A few more little arm circles. We don't want to get too tired in the warm-up. Okay, now our first exercise is going to be the step back and push. So the harder version is really reaching forward. I'm just going to do a little one like this, tapping back with each foot. We're going to get started in 10 seconds time. And remember, we're going to get straight into 20 seconds of hard work, and then we'll get a 10-second break before the next exercise. So 3, 2, 1, and we are off.
So I'm going to be doing some of the harder variations, or the more intense versions, if you will. As we said earlier, pick one which works for you. You can always chop and change between the two in subsequent rounds.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. All right, 10-second break. We are going to do a star step out. So like a star jump, but we're just tapping out either side. Nice quick pace. 3, 2, 1. Let's go for it.
And harder version, bigger step and arms up over your head together.
You should be starting to get a little bit puffed. Maybe a little bit of a sweat depending where you are in the world. 5 seconds. And resting. Okay, guys, our next exercise is going to be the boxing.
Boxing, I'm doing some party punches overhead.
I'm going to be going out in front. Remember, we want to march at the same time. Let's go for it.
Keep those feet moving as well.
Good thing I got that sweatband on, guys.
It's doing heaps, mate.
Yeah.
I can see the beating down your forearms there.
Okay, 5 seconds to go. Keep working hard. 3, 2, 1. All right, next one, nice and simple. We're just going to do a march or a run on the spot. "20 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Do as many steps as you can. Up the cadence. That's right.
Come on, keep working hard. 10 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah.
What's that next
A
exercise?
squat and press. My friends, I'm going to do a deep squat into a full overhead press. We're going to do a slightly shallower
Do a
one.
mini squat into a little press.
Here we go.
Let's do it. Oh, this is a tough full body exercise. Should really be feeling this one.
Oh, I said deep squat. My legs are a bit sore from yesterday's gym, Ollie, so this is going to be deep enough.
3, 2, 1. Okay, well, that's our first round done. hopefully you got a nice feel for it, and we're going to really challenge ourselves in the next 2 rounds.
For sure. Oh, hopefully by now you can feel your heart pumping in your chest, and good thing is that's your heart getting stronger, isn't it, mate?
Absolutely. So your heart is a muscle just like any other. So we want to work it, and the more we do that, the stronger it gets, and the less likely you are of developing lifestyle-related conditions like heart disease. So that's a big positive. Okay, we're going to get into round number 2 here. We're going to start with that step back and push.
Here we go.
Let's
We're
go.
off.
You can add in some little jazz hands here if you like.
We highly recommend it.
I'm not sure exactly what that looks
Important
like.
muscles in the fingers, mate. We don't want them
Absolutely.
to miss out.
Okay, 5 seconds to go. And resting.
Okay.
Next, those star step outs. Couple of deep breaths. 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
If you really wanted to go for it, you could do some full-blown star jumps here, but
Yep.
whatever works for you. These are hard enough, I reckon.
Yeah. As long as you're getting puffy
For sure.
and you're feeling your heart rate working hard. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, boxing. Gaz's favorite.
My favourite. I'm sure you can tell.
Yep. Let's go for it in 3, 2, 1.
Here we go.
You could, of course, mix up some of your punching here. You could throw in some uppercuts. You could do some of what Gaz is doing, punching up over your head. I like to do little side punches. Not great in the ring,
not very functional.
great on the dance floor, especially if you start to
If you
do
get in a
little
street
turns.
fight, do not use that one. Not that we condone violence.
Whoa, okay,
Okay.
next
Run.
one, that run or march, nice simple one. This is my favorite. This doesn't take much memory. Okay, let's go for it. Marching on the
Here we
spot.
Now, if you've got a bit of a section, of course, you could run around the room. Don't limit yourself to the one spot. Yeah. Do some circuits.
You do a quick lap around the block, maybe.
Yeah, that's right.
All right,
Long
5,
as 20 seconds.
3, 2, 1. Okay, last exercise for this round. It's the squat and press. Once again, now let's get into position. 3, 2, 1. So if you're feeling pretty good after that first round, you're following along with the easier versions, you might try going a little deeper, maybe pressing up a little further. Remember, we want to challenge ourselves, but as long as it's tolerable for you. Okay, last few seconds.
One more.
Now, guys, that's a key thing, making sure exercise is tolerable. Ideally, it's something that you enjoy as well. So whether it's something like this or going for a walk, getting some cardio exercise that you enjoy is so important, because the best exercise, guys, is the one that gets done.
Absolutely. So don't be shy if you need to modify things or pick and choose what works for you.
Absolutely.
Instead.
Yeah, and that's something we do in all our online workouts, showing easier and harder variations. Okay, here we go. Let's go. Round number 3. We're starting with that step back and push. And as I said, if you want to try and push yourself a little more, reach out a little further, maybe bend over slightly, that's good. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Wonderful. Star step out is our next one. Give those arms a bit of a shake. 3, 2, 1, let's go. As well as doing bigger arms, you can do bigger reach outs with your feet. It's one way to make this one a bit harder because we're working the leg muscles a little more. 3, 2, 1. Wonderful. 3 exercises to go, guys. We're nearly home.
We're gonna
Boxing
do
next.
boxing.
Woo. Okay.
Here we go.
Oh, I'm ready. Let's go. See if you can get those arms out straight. Bring them all the way back into your chin. And you go in some uppercuts. Mix it up. Keep those feet moving at the same time. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Next up,
Your favourite, sir.
my favorite. Let's do it. Run or march. 3, 2, 1. And we're off. 20 seconds. Come on, last 2 exercises. Really push yourself here. Nearly there.
Oh, the sweatband's coming into its own now.
Sure is, yeah. Worth their weight in gold, these sweatbands. 3, 2, 1. Okay, last exercise. Last 20 seconds of work. So, you'll sleep well tonight if you work hard here. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Nearly there. We've got 10 seconds to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Well done. Back to you, Ollie and Gaz. And that's it. Well done. Your 10-minute workout is complete. Let's just cool down for a moment while we chat.
Well, let's take a second to acknowledge what you've done. You've challenged yourself, you've got your heart rate up, but more importantly, you've taken a step towards improving your health, and that's something that your future self will definitely thank you for.
This workout is a perfect example of the sort of thing that we do inside the Be Mobile online program. You can get an effective cardio workout done right at home, no matter how busy you are.
If you've enjoyed this and you'd like to try some more full-length guided workouts, then we'd love to have you in our community. Click the link below to get started.